And with that, we want to get to our forecast as Chief Meteorologist Bobby Deskins joins us now. Hey, Bobby.
It's hard to believe it's been a year, Sarah, since out of the Western Caribbean came Helene. Helene didn't, again, make landfall here in the Tampa Bay area, made landfall up near Perry, but this is Cat 3, that's Cat 4. It was just pushing a ton of water. Everybody got some storm surge. We had record levels here in the Tampa Bay area, which we hadn't seen in over 103 years, back to the 1921 Tarpon Springs hurricane. The numbers that we saw were generally 6 to 7, almost 8 feet, right? Most areas anywhere from 6 to 7 feet. Those are the newer records. Cedar Key up near landfall, kind of close to landfall, had 9.3 feet. The storm was getting stronger. The older records were 3 to 4 feet. This is kind of what we've been used to, right? Yeah, but it can happen, and it certainly did in that one. So that was a storm that was 100 miles offshore. It didn't even make landfall here. So it could have been a lot worse than what it was, and that's hard to say because we saw all kinds of damage. Now, this is what's left of, well, that's Hurricane Humberto now. This is the latest track that we just got. We'll be watching that one as well. 94L, this one is one that we're more concerned about. This will stay out at sea, but look at this, 145-mile-per-hour winds by the time we get into Sunday. So that's a big swell maker, wave maker, pushing all the way across central northern Florida, all the way up through Jersey. All right, there's going to be a ton of swell, and this will likely last all week. Okay, so it's already producing some swell now, but it's really just getting going. And as it goes by Tuesday and Wednesday, it'll be producing more and more swell. So we're talking rip current risks and all that kind of thing, all the way up. Erosion. The Outer Banks, you know how we've been watching as Aaron went by? We'll be watching it again because they're going to have large surf and erosion. Now, this is our main concern right here. Turks and Caicos, Bahamas. Watch as the center now is right about here. But the last few days, the convection's been off to the south and the southeast. Now it's starting to wrap around. So this is showing some signs of getting a little bit more organized. The forecast model is just all over the place. I don't know if you saw it. Some come up, stop and take it out. Some come up, stop and take it out. Some come up, wrap it around. Some up, take it into South Carolina. The very latest seemed to still take it into South Carolina Monday night-ish, something like that. Either way, it looks like it wants to stay off of our coast, but it will be strengthening as it comes up here Saturday and Sunday. Imelda is the next name on the list, and we could get a little bit of a northeast breeze out of it here in Tampa Bay, but that's really all we would see. There'll be some passing showers over on the East Coast if it stays off just enough. So plenty of time to watch it for us. We're not concerned about it, but we'll be watching it for our neighbors over on the East Coast. Good looking day out there right now. Upper 80s for most areas. Clearwater showing 82. Not sure about that, but 86 in St. Pete, 89. Newport Richey, Tampa's at 87. We're going close to about 90, 91 again today. Showers just getting started. Look at that. Safety Harbor up towards Palm Harbor. That's that McMullen Booth area right there. Tampa Road as well. I do expect a little bit more shower activity today associated with this cold front. But we need that. That front's coming through here tomorrow with showers and storms, especially in the afternoon, but that's going to help keep everything at bay. So pop-up showers here through the next few hours. By 7 o'clock, most of it's working its way inland. But then look, we got some leftover showers here. This is 8, 9, 10 o'clock, so especially along the immediate coast. That's Friday night plans. Not a complete washout, but there will be some rain around. Now, Saturday morning, let's go to sunrise. Here we go. Isolated shower in the morning, but by the time we get towards midday, this is around 1 o'clock. Showers and storms pop up, plus we have the front coming through. That's around 4 o'clock. Things will be pushing inland. Hopefully this happens because that's the front that's going to help push that. See, look how close. There's Cape Canaveral, Daytona, and it's out there. We think it stays offshore at this point, but we'll have to watch it. All right, 7-day forecast shows us with a 50 to 60% chance for tomorrow. Might lower that just a little bit. Sunday, we're talking lower rain chances, especially far eastern parts of the viewing area. And if the storm goes by and stays to the north, we'll actually dry out a little bit Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.